how to buy down of golden ARL tokens. This token came under the symbol of Doge. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money, rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account and usually benefits. Check them out in the description. As you can see, this tweet, it's from the Sir Doge of Coin. As you can see, it's just released this token. So this token is available on the screener. It's created 7 hours ago and it increased by 100% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 100%. That's good. That's many investment in the safe place. This token, it's viral or trending number 6 in the screener. To be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under the Solana network. Open your fund to manage for that. Click on swap here. Make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Click here and paste the token address. As you can see, so this is our token. Click on it and here you can be able to type how much you want to buy, and here you will be able to see how much you will receive of that token. After that, select the provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here. After that, click on swap and you will be able to read actually the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So if you face any issue, just go back to this page, switch the slip hash from here or customize, because the most of issues came from the slip hash, and after that you can be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy Doge token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.